тренировку шутить на час.
Не, гуляем. Гуляем.
Мне постричься надо.
Да. Вау. Красота, какой город. Okay guys, this is Igor in Russia and filming in Vasily Island because I love this place. We're gonna check out the normal life here in St. Petersburg and hope you guys enjoy. Today is like a super windy day. It's near, I don't know, tornado, hurricane. So let's see, there's a possibility you won't hear me. I will try to explore new areas of Vasily Islands. For Igor in Russia Google map also. You can see all of my videos on the link in the description. Сейчас. Пойдем совсем туда вот. Нет. Мы сюда приехали, чтобы погулять, я же ехал в другое место совсем. Да. Петроградка? Да. Погуляем потом. This part of the city is amazing, as you well know. Beautiful architecture. I will try to explore the northern side of Vasily Islands, more or less. Найду что-то, какой музей, я просто зайду. Сразу интересно становится.
Я вижу парикмахерскую.
Где?
Я не знаю, как мне.
Тут перейти? Да. Оля is looking for a hair salon. На русском hair salon. So in this crossing the как эта улица? This is Malый Prospect. Malый Prospect. And Neva River. Mala Neva is over there. And it would be kind of a dream to live here actually. There is some bathtubs, bathrooms, equipment. Whoa, that's beautiful. Mr. Doors, Atelier Mebeli. Indoor, Mr. Doors Russia hashtag. Go Google it. Google the hashtag. Just remember that we have 1.5 liters of beer at home and I have to drink it. Оля, полтора литра пива. Полтора литра пива у нас.
Я там еще был напротив.
Ждать или нет? Спасибо. check it out. Men's. Занято все?
Да, пахнет мужским ароматом.
Alright, it smelled bad.
Они такие очень грозные.
Что?
Ну слышал у него? Ни слов просто.
Olya was not invited in. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be turning right from the next. We'll see if we can go in and maybe. Ладно. That's something that I've filmed in the video already. Да, я направо. Let's turn here. And let's see what can we find here. The idea is to explore sanctioned, beautiful Russia. St. Petersburg. Sometimes turn into a whoa. Let's check out courtyard because there is a huge frog inside the courtyard here. I think this is a typical thing where a municipality building is inside the courtyard. This is what I wanted to show you. Wow, it's a nice one. So there's a huge frog in the courtyard of Vasily Island. How awesome is this? And here is a детский сад. It's a what is the daycare? Children's daycare is here, and everything is fenced in Russia. It's fenced, and we're gonna continue through here. This is one of the places I really enjoy walking in Vasily Island. It's beautiful during the springtime. There's a lot of trees. It's just great. People who live here should be really, and I know they are really proud and happy because it's very respected. This is seventh linia, седьмая linia, seventh line. Dixie. So I think we're gonna have a short visit into the shop. We're gonna do a short video from I'm gonna check out 1 year sanctions in Russian shop. So buy some water actually. But let's check out how does the Russian cheap chain of grocery stores look like from the inside. Нет, я Дикси ищу.
Прямо.
Спасибо. It's crazy. I didn't know there's like hundreds of shops for Dixie. Right. This is the most ghettoest shop inside. There's probably no internet. So, as you can see, there's a lots of different pricing, a lot of discounts. And please write me if there's no internet. No internet. Guess fish mayonnaise. I'm not gonna be exploring everything. This is a quick look inside. Here we can see, by the way, more Russian production. Русский сахар, Russian sugar. All we need is some water. Some food for kitties. So there's everything. There's no lack of anything. Everything is available. Unlike what the world expects. Какой красивый собачка. Ой, молодец. Молодец. So, our little dogs are allowed in the shops. Lots of Brooklyn American ale. There's a lot of international brands. This Hollandaise, I think, got Holland beer. Krustovice. Czech beer. Там собачка просто. Кусает? Можно погладить?
Да.
Эй, как зовут?
Чарли.
Чарли? Чарли. Хорош, хорош. Ой, ой, ой. Молодец.
Здесь, да?
Ага.
Хотели бы приобрести вот 1 рубль.
Или вы сюда пойдете?
Я уже...
Возьмите чек, спасибо за покупку. Пойдем, не будем сейчас сказать.
Здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Вам пакет?
Не.
Здравствуйте. Добрый день. Это магазина.
Не могу купить.
Почему?
Не получалось. Скачивать не получалось.
Не
И
надо, пластиковая карточка.
вот
9
это.
рублей.
Давайте. Да. Кстати, в прошлый раз предлагали, там была какая-то проблема.
Да,
Так что
ага.
наконец-то.
Так, давайте, сейчас мы ее
А.
активируем. Да, мне
Да,
нужен
вот.
будет... Так, номер телефона.
953.
Сейчас придет смс, вы мне скажите.
Девяносто 73.
90-73. Все, мы активировали ее. Все, уже...
Все.
Возьмите чек, спасибо за покупку.
Спасибо.
Хорошего.
All right. We have finished shopping in the most deepest, best man in the world. Where can I leave? Извините, а где выход? Тут заблудиться можно.
Я даже люди попадают.
Да. Sometimes even people get lost. Yeah. All right. That was it. That was the Russian, the cheapest grocery store experience.